Today we're supposed to have another really nice riding day. In fact, it's actually supposed to go up into the 70s today, which might be the first time of the year it's gone up. I really had to make a plan here for a couple of reasons. I have at least, and I'm looking at the mileage now, at least one more long ride, 150-mile ride, and this guy will be ready for his 36,000 mile service. Now that's 36,000 miles, and it doesn't burn a drop of oil, it doesn't drip a drip of antifreeze. It's just been a reliable stone. It's just as good as it gets for a historic bike anyway. It's certainly not a brand new R1, but then not really anything is except a brand new R1. But anyway, the whole point is, normally I would be swapping out the bikes every 2 days, every day or whatever, but I tried to get the mileage on this because what's going to happen sooner or later, we're going to have a total rainy day, and I have basically a whole day. I want to switch the front wheel, I want to do a thorough cleanup, check the bottom, and do an oil change. I have a new oil filter, clean the chain thoroughly. I want to go over the whole bike, and it's, to me, this is the thing that's worth it about it. All of these bikes, this one's only 11 years old, this one's a lot older, like me. The older bikes need more maintenance, more attention, but I try to do it with the idea in mind that I'm going to be 100 miles from home, 80 miles from home, 70, whatever, and I don't want them to break. So once they're reliable, I want to keep them reliable, and nothing's more important than keeping the oil changes and filters up and keeping a chain clean and lubricated and adjusted. And I just look around and I think the one thing about, and I'm going to cross my fingers when I say it, of the bikes that I ride all summer, so far we have been really, really lucky as far as them being dead reliable. Because a lot of historic bikes, you never go too far from the trailer. These, I think, are more reliable than average. Anyway, but we want to keep them reliable. And as the temperature warms up, we got to get we have a brand new set of summer riding pants with the Good Armor in them from Joe Rocket. And I'm looking forward to using those, but I don't have them yet. And it's only a matter of time, like it was last summer. It got hot in a hurry, and we put those the leather pants on the back burner. But on this time of the year, I always keep both riding suits ready, and then I make a determination at the very last minute. Now this is not real scientific, but what I used to do is I used to always, in other words, I'd have a line at which, and I'd move the tape from time to time. This, of course, is the line for me, just too hot to enjoy a ride. And that's somewhere in 90 degrees or something. And then at what point I want to use the summer gear, at what point I want to use certain other things, and then where the double red line is, that means get bundled up, baby. and then a point at which I was riding in the colder weather, and then somewhere around 30 degrees it just gets way too cold to ride. Just, you don't enjoy it. I don't enjoy it anyway. And then when that time comes, it's start to do our next project, and we haven't determined what that'll be right now. So we have to get the farm ready, and I have some special plant fertilizer. I have to miracle grow my flowers this morning, and I'll be ready to get out on the open road. And it is supposed to rain this afternoon, so I'm trying to do this with a Mach Schnell attitude. This is special Miracle Grow fertilizer for potted plants, and we got to feed the plants. This is pretty sad. I have empty nest syndrome since all our baby plants that we grew from seeds are now in the ground, and I feel like my kids have gone off to college and run away and joined the circus. One more cup of coffee before we head out, and we have about a 4-hour window before it's supposed to rain. So while I'm out riding, Karen's going to be making another gourmet meal, roasted green beans. I guess the birds aren't as hungry for their breakfast as I am. So this is the Keep Windy Alive diet. Keep them full of vegetables, give them an oil change at 36,000 miles, and make them eat vegetables. And it works. See, this is the kind of weather report that I never trust weathermen about. Here, they're telling me that it's a 50-50 chance, 46% chance of rain, 46. But if I'm not home by 4 o'clock, I'm going to get thundered on. But it is going to be warm. So the final weather report is no rain till 4 o'clock. We'll see. Here's where we're definitely going to be going this afternoon. I know Karen. She's going to want to have some more plants. We don't have enough. We need more. Well, it's starting to really look like it's going to rain any minute now. I don't know.
So it's starting to look like we just got home in time. We were not home 15 minutes, and it's really pouring now. And it isn't a big deal to have to ride home in the rain, but it's that cleaning the bike thing. So it looks like we beat the system a little bit today.
That has had to be our lucky day. As we pulled in the driveway, it started raining. It was a couple drops of rain, but the roads, when the roads are wet, you really can't, you know the whole thing. Anyway, even a wet ride is better than no ride at all, that's for sure. And as we always say at the end of every video now, thank you to all the healthcare workers. Thank you. I really mean that. I'm not kidding. Thank you. We really are looking forward to getting back together very soon. Probably in a month. I hope so. Anyway, I miss the meetups. I miss the market. I miss Perkins. I miss, God, all the people that ride around here. They all know. But anyway, but we haven't missed any, not that many videos. And if you're bored and you're sitting home or you're at work and getting paid, keep watching those Wendy videos. I love the money. Well, wait, I don't get any money. What? What's wrong with this picture? Send me a bagel. Send me something. Send me a salami sandwich. Anyway, I really hope you do enjoy the videos. I enjoy making them. I enjoy editing them. And I enjoy the rides. It gives me an excuse to go on all these rides. So thanks for watching.
So after a nice ride and having a few raindrops fall upon us, tonight we'll have some more veggies for supper. Hey, again, I hope you really did enjoy the video.